Felicitate means to congratulate someone. Example: we felicitated Sarah on winning the award. Confide means to share a secret or personal information with someone you trust. Example: he confided in his best friend about his problem. Lethargic means feeling very tired or lazy. Example: after the long trip, I felt too lethargic to even move. Disband means to break up a group or team. Example: the band disbanded after 10 years of success. Vigilant means being alert and watchful. Example: the guard stayed vigilant all night. Plagiarize means to copy someone's work without giving credit. Example: never plagiarize a school project, it's unfair and wrong. Optimistic means always seeing the bright side. Example: even after failing once, she remained optimistic. Vulgar means something rude, offensive, or inappropriate. Example: avoid using vulgar language in public. Strive means to work very hard to achieve something. Example: he strives to become a doctor one day. Elated means very happy or joyful. Example: she was elated after hearing the good news. Grimy means very dirty or covered in dirt. Example: his clothes were grimy after working in the garage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.